channel. So as you can tell, I have the Allure Beauty Box here. Now this is for February 2019. I know I'm a little behind, but I did want to just show you guys what was in this box. It's already March, so I wanted to get this up as soon as possible either way. So I'm gonna just get right into it. Now this is what the box looks like when you receive it. It used to be different, so they changed things up a bit. It used to be a smaller red box, and now it's this thin white box. The Allure Beauty Box is $15 a month, and you usually get around 5 or 6 products, and the value is always really good in my opinion. I think that they send some very high-end things. Some months aren't that great, and this is one of them, but last month they were sending Sunday Riley. You can receive your first box for $10, and they'll also give you a free new member gift just for signing up. So I'll have that link down below in the description box if you are interested. So when you open up the box, you're gonna see this little magazine, and inside of this, there are all the products that you are receiving or could receive, plus what the prices are. This month, it looks like they sent us a $25 gift for this company called Gorjana. I've never heard of it. I don't think I'm gonna use it. This is a $25 gift to where you can use the code Allure25 at checkout. So if you want to grab that code, if you know what this company is, then feel free. Allure now sends these little makeup bags. Now, to me, I don't like these. They're very cheap looking. They're very cheap feeling. I actually received mine broken last month. Happy to report that this one is not ripped down the sides at all. So, I mean, I guess that it is good for traveling or for gifts. I'm gonna probably use this for a giveaway. It does have snap closures, and they do send different colors from what it looks like. Because last month we received a red one. So I'm gonna grab the first thing that I was very unhappy with. This is from Allure Beauty. Now you could have received either one of these in different shades, or you could have received a Larizzi lip pencil or a Douce eyeliner. This is actually valued at $21, so I was pretty excited about that. But looking at it a little closer, all over here almost looks used. I don't know if you can see that. It all looks like it's frayed over here, if you can see that. I know I didn't do that. I opened this one time other than right now, and it didn't have a seal. It didn't come in a box, nothing. So when I proceeded to open it up like I'm doing now, all of the products, you know, was all around like this. It looked like this right away, as if this was already opened. And then I saw what the brush looked like. The product is very, very like goopy and thick. It's not something that I definitely think looks, in lack of a better word, appetizing. And then I saw what the brush looked like, and it's just not good. The brush was like falling apart. There's like little pieces of the brush that are coming off of it. So I was really, really upset about this, but I decided not to reach out to Allure Box because in January's box, not only was my bag ripped, but I had received an eyeshadow stick and that was broken. I contacted them last month. I still have not received that eyeshadow stick. I don't even want to contact them about this, so I don't even want a replacement, honestly. I'm just really upset about it that they would send a product that looks like this. So if anybody else received this and you haven't opened it yet, take a look, make sure that yours is good. So the next thing here is from Amande. It's a Flower Lab Essence Mask, and I actually received the rose one because I know that they were sending different variations of this. The price is $7. The mask itself is made from eucalyptus pulp, which adheres well to skin. We actually received another product from Amande in the same line. This is the Petal Spa Oil to Foam Cleanser. The full size of this is $21, but this one we received is 0.84 fluid ounces. And Allure typically does send, you know, sample sizes, but they'll also send some full sizes as well. It says it starts as an oil, but then with water transforms into a foam. It dissolves foundation, mascara, and eyeliner quickly. I think this would be good if you're gonna double cleanse. So I wouldn't use this as my regular cleanser only because I have oily skin and this would probably just keep me oily. So I would use this as like a makeup remover and then go in with my regular face wash. The next thing is from Model Co. This is a metallic eyeshadow trio in Mykonos, and this is valued at $15. These are 3 on-trend foiled effect shades, perfect for creating statement looks. Each shade has a velvety feel for a flawless look and application, providing insane color payoff that can be blended together seamlessly for a customized eye look. You could also use these separately. So there's like a burgundy color, pinky champagne color, which on camera it's kind of coming out more on the champagne peachy side, but it is like a pink color. And then a brown. These are what the shades look like. So I had to go into this little palette here a few times just to get this color payout here. I think that they're very pretty. I do love this one here. I like this as kind of like a brow bone highlight or inner corner highlight. And then this could be a good transition shade. So the next thing they put in the box actually goes with this little eyeshadow palette. This is a Moda Metallics Triad Eye Brush. This is valued at $4.99. This soft, precise shading brush is the holy grail of eyeshadow brushes. It does so many different things really well. It makes any shadow look its most vibrant. It's also perfect for contouring. Use it to sweep brown shadow across your crease or over the outer third of your lid. It's a very versatile brush. So this next thing I've actually tried before from Boxycharm, and I love this so much. I was so happy to see it again in the Allure box because when I got it from Boxycharm, I used it up within a month. This is the Brow Gal Insta Tint Tinted Brow Gel, and it's in the shade Brown Hair 02. This is full size, valued at $22. It's kind of like the Benefit Gimme Brow. In my opinion, it works 10 times better, and you could see like the little fibers on there, and I can use this in place of my pencil, and it will actually give me fuller looking brows. It holds them in place, so you can even use this over your pencil if you want. I really enjoyed this a lot, so I was very happy to see it again. The last product here, which I was really excited about too, because this is brand new to Wander Beauty. This is the Mile High Club Mascara, and it actually was being released in this Allure Beauty Box before being released to the public. So we actually were receiving it before anybody else could buy it. This is the full size, valued at $26. That's everything for the Allure box. What did you think for $15? I think it's pretty good. I mean, aside from this, which is going in the garbage right now, I think it was definitely worth the money because of these 2 products alone. I will have the link down below for the Allure Beauty Box. It'll give you what the new member gift would be if you were to sign up for March. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up, and feel free to share it to help me grow my channel. I also have an Instagram, which is the same name. It's skincare_glam. So check me out on there too. I post a lot of these products and different products on my Instagram as well. But until next time, I will see you guys on my next one. Bye.